Hello student. Today we are going to discuss on how to divide whole numbers. But first, let us analyze this problem. A bakery has delivered 8,432 breads. If only 4 delivery trucks have shown up, how many breads will each truck deliver? Okay, in this situation, we are identifying how many breads in each delivery truck. So, for us to solve the problem, let's identify first the given. So, we have 8,432 breads to be delivered by 4 delivery trucks. So, that's the given. We can divide this by the use of division by partitioning. This is where we will expand the dividend into smaller parts before division. So let us first identify which is the dividend and which is the divisor. The dividend is the number that being divided. So we have the 8,432 breads. And the divisor is the number by which a dividend is divided. So we have 4 delivery tracts. So in dividing with the use of partitioning, we have different steps. First, choose the partition that are multiples of the divisor, which is the 4. So, we are going to make it on expanded form. So, after you change it into expanded form, divide each partition by the divisor. So, we have 8,000 divided by 4 is equal to 2,000. 400 divided by 4 is equal to 100. And 32 divided by 4 is equal to 8. After that, add the quotient of each partition to get the final answer. So we have 2,000 plus 100 plus 8. So we have total of 2,108 breads in each truck or delivery trucks. Aside from the partitioning method, we also have the bus stop method or the long division method. In this division method, you need to perform a series of operations to get the final answer. We have first the division, followed by the multiplication and the subtraction. So first, write it on the division method. So, the dividend is on the inside and the divisor is the outside of the division symbols. And after that, divide the first digit of the dividend by the divisor. The first digit is the rightmost number. The rightmost number in the given is 8, which we will divide on the divisor, which is the 4. So, 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. After dividing the first digit of the dividend, multiply the quotient into the divisor. So, 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. Then write it on the bottom of the first digit. After multiplying, the product will be subtracted to the first digit, which is 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. So, we don't have value. Then, bring down the next digit, which is the 4. After that, we will continue the process. So, we have the 4. 4 divided it by 4 is equal to 1, which is on the top. Then, multiplied 1 to 4 is equal to itself. So, 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. And then, bring down 3. 3 divide it by 4 is cannot be. So, let's bring down again the next digit, which is 32. So, 32 divide it by 4 is equal to 8. Then, 8 multiplied by 4 is equal to 32. 32 minus 32 is equal to 0. So, we will come up to the quotient of 2,108. So that is the process of the bus stop method or the long division. And that ends our discussion for today. So for your activity, kindly answer the page 31 of your book. They reinforce. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoy and have learned from the lesson that we discussed today. So goodbye, class.